To make a standard shirt, go to Create and then click Shirts. Before you start working on your shirt, you'll need the shirt template. You can get this by clicking Download it here. From there, download the image and open it up in your image editing software of choice. This tutorial will be using Photoshop for this example. On the template are sections for the torso, right arm, and left arm. Each section is divided into front, left, right, up, down, and back. These sections each correspond to an area on the Roblox character, as shown by the diagram. The dotted lines show the maximum limits for the height of gloves and lower leg details on R15 models. To start working on your design, create a new transparent layer and begin to paint over the sections. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can upload it by going back to the Shirts tab under Create. Click Choose File and select your shirt design. From there, click Upload. And your shirt is complete.